Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Shark UltraLight Vacuum. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have this Shark UltraLight Vacuum. I'm going to show you how to use it. So first and foremost, this is a corded vacuum. So in order to use it, you have to plug it into a power source. So I'm going to go to the other end of the cord over here, and as you can see, there is a plug, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it into a power outlet so I know that it has power, okay? So that's the first thing in terms of using it. You got to plug it in. Now before I attach it, I will show you over here, okay? Take a look. At the top over here, you can see that there's a power button. That is the button that you will press to turn it on or off. So I'll turn it on right now and off. Just like that. Really, really easy. And it clicks on and also clicks off. Now you'll also notice that there is a switch over here, and that allows you to switch between number 1 and number 2, okay? You can flip it up or down to number 1 or number 2. On number 1, it is the bare floor mode, and on number 2, it is carpet mode. So right now on number 1, it's bare floor mode. You want to switch to carpet mode, go to number 2. Really, really easy, and that is very, very useful when you are obviously using it on the base. So I'm going to attach it onto the base right now, okay? And I'm going to move it back, and I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to tell you when I'm switching between bare floor mode and carpet mode, and it's going to adjust the spinning speed of the roller on there. So I'm going to turn it on by pressing that button, okay? And then now I can change it from, right now it's bare floor mode, I'm going to change it to carpet. Now, the roller spun faster. I'm going to go back to bare floor mode right now. And then the roller spins down, the roller slows down, the spinner slows down. So I'll turn that off so you can hear me a bit better. As I was switching between the modes, essentially what was happening was the roller, I said it spins down, but I meant the spinner slows down. Okay, so when you are on number 1 bare floor mode, the roller is going fairly slowly, and then you go up to number 2 carpet mode, and then the roller speeds up. Okay, and then back to number 1 bare floor mode, and then the spinner slows down. So that's basically how to use it in terms of, like, you know, its various modes. When you're using it, you know, you can lock it into position in an upright position like that, and when you want to unlock it, you just apply a little bit of pressure here to hold that down, and just bring it back. And then we can use it like this, okay? Give it a little bit of a swivel, go back and forth as you're using it, and you can suck everything up. So check this out. I can go ahead, and I can suck up all the dirt, and the dust, and the debris. Super easy, okay? Now the next thing I want to go over is removing the dust canister. So I'm just going to detach it like that. So also, just so you know, actually I was going to go over this later, but I'll go over it now. You can attach and detach it just like this. You just basically hold this down and you can pull it apart. And when you attach it, you just click it in place. And for the base, I'll go over this right now. For the base, there's a little bit of a lever here. When you push down on this over here, when you push down on this, you can remove the pull, and then to put it back in position, you just click it in. Just like that. It's literally that simple, okay? Now removing the dust canister, pretty easy to do. Let me stand up and adjust my positioning here. So as you can see here, there are these little sort of buttons over here on this side and on this side. All you have to do is squeeze them, and you can remove the dust canister like that. When the dust canister has been removed, when you want to empty it out, there's a little trash can icon over there. All you got to do is push down on that trash can picture, open it up, empty it out just like that. You want to put it back together, just like that, and then you can put it back in place. And to put it back in place, you have to kind of give it a little bit of a swivel, kind of like that. You put that in first, and then just like that, and it's back in place just like that. Really, really easy to do. The last thing I will cover is the attachments. If you have various attachments like this one over here, you can just slide those right onto either the actual unit to make it in like a portable mode, or if you have your telescoping pole, not your telescoping pole, your like extension pole attached to the unit, you can slide them right onto the extension pole, and then you can get some places that are higher up or further away. And that's essentially it. That is for the most part how to use the unit. It's really, really easy. The learning curve is very, very small. You can have yourself using it easily in just, in honestly, a matter of like 10 or 15 minutes. You can sort of grasp all of the main things for using this vacuum. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.